What's up, everybody? This is Michael from Thick Cut, Ohio, coming to you today with a very special video. I'm out here in the backyard garden going to do an unboxing video of the Wagyu Shop A5 ribeye steak from the Wagyu Shop. Now, this is going to be raw and uncut, so it might be a little bit rough, but that's just how they do. Where they send it to? Oh, of course, Thick Cut, Ohio. And where is the Wagyu Shop? It is out in San Francisco, the Bay Area. I actually used to live right across the water. It's shipped via FedEx, perishable. It's overnight, next day aired in dry ice. So let's go ahead and flip this up. Got the knife. Let's go ahead and cut this open. All right, here we go. Start off with, get a brochure. Actually, wow, envelope sealed up. See what's in here. This is basically a video on if you order this from the Wagyu Shop. I'll put the link below. We got a certificate of authenticity. Look at that. They have the cow, Japanese black, Hokkaido. They have it in English and looks like Japanese. Wow, I'm gonna hold on to that. And they have the rundown of the grades. And marbling. See, I got the A5, and that is enough of the paperwork. Let's dig right on in here. See how this is packaged. Oh, very nice. Dry ice. I want to keep that. Man. Here it is. Uh-oh. Two hands. Needs two hands. Say we're raw and cut here. This is a $200 steak, everybody. This is Japanese Wagyu beef, Hokkaido brand ribeye. Cooked thoroughly to 160 degrees? I think not. And this is a pound, 16 ounces. I won't cook this more than 125 degrees internal. And I'm not sure how I'm going to cook it, how I'm going to slice it. But I'm going to let you guys decide that. Please leave in a comment. Tell me, hey, Mike, I want you to cook it this way. I want you to cook it that way. But I am in Ohio, Columbus, Ohio, and it is kind of warm. So we're kind of frosting up here. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video. I appreciate it a lot. Keep following me. The next video will be a cook video. I might do a butcher video because I might cut this up a little bit. I'm going to cut that fat off and actually mix that fat with some other meat to make some Wagyu fat ground beef in my meat grinder. But who knows? Like I said, leave me a comment, leave me a suggestion. Let me know what would you like to see. And that's how you will receive your package from the Wagyu Shop. You will even get a certificate of authenticity. Really nice. Hey, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching.